Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Grafana dashboard. Now once you're logged in, come in the left hand panel, click on the dashboard, and then just click on the dashboard you want to download. There's two ways I'll show you how to download. One is downloading the JSON code, okay? So you come in the top right, you click on export, and then you can click on export as JSON. And this is the code. You can copy this to clipboard or you can just download the file. There we go. The file has been downloaded. And if you're actually using Grafana Cloud, you get more options. For example, if you click on export as code, you're actually able to download it as a YAML. So click on V1 resource and then click on YAML. And you can scroll down and you can download this file as well. So there you go. That one would download in that specific format, .yaml. And you can also download the dashboard as a PDF. So click on export and then click on export as PDF. And you can choose your orientation, your layout, your zoom, and click on generate PDF. And this will actually open up in a new tab, and once it is done, it will start downloading as well. So there we go. This one doesn't have data, but basically you're going to be downloading it as a PDF. So that is how to download Grafana dashboards.